Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about clove health benefits and side effects. It's essential to note that while clove offers numerous health benefits, individual reactions can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Clove nutritional value. 1. Calories. Clove has 274 calories per 100 grams of cloves. 2. Water content. Clove has 9.87 grams of water per 100 grams of cloves. 3. Carbohydrates, around 65.5 grams per 100 grams of cloves. 4. Protein, about 5.97 grams per 100 grams of cloves. 5. Fiber. Clove has 33.9 grams of fiber per 100 grams of cloves. 6. Vitamins. 100 grams of cloves contains vitamin C, 0.2 milligrams, vitamin B6, 0.391 milligrams, vitamin E, 8.82 milligrams, vitamin A, 160 IU, and vitamin K, 142 micrograms. 7. Minerals. 100 grams of cloves contains potassium 1020 milligrams, phosphorus 104 milligrams, calcium 632 milligrams, magnesium 259 milligrams, manganese 60.1 milligrams, iron 11.8 milligrams, sodium 277 milligrams, manganese 60.1 milligrams, zinc 2.32 milligrams, copper 0.368 milligrams, and selenium 7.2 micrograms, while other minerals are in trace amounts. Bioactive compounds in clove. Clove is a spice known for its aromatic flavor, and it has various bioactive compounds that contribute to its medicinal properties. Some of the key bioactive compounds found in cloves include 1. Eugenol. This is the primary bioactive compound in cloves, constituting 80 to 90% of the essential oil extracted from the spice. Eugenol possesses antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and analgesic properties. It is commonly used in dentistry for its pain-relieving effects and as an antiseptic. 2. Acetylugenol. This bioactive compound found in cloves has similar medicinal properties as eugenol. 3. Caryophyllene. This bioactive compound has anti-inflammatory properties and acts on cannabinoid receptors in the body. 4. Gallic acid. This bioactive compound present in cloves contributes to the overall antioxidant properties of cloves. 5. Quercetin. This is a flavonoid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This bioactive compound is found in cloves. 6. Camphorol. This is another flavonoid present in cloves, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. 7. Beta-caryophyllene. This bioactive compound is a terpene that acts as a cannabinoid receptor modulator, contributing to the anti-inflammatory effects of cloves. These bioactive compounds contribute to the various medicinal properties of cloves. Due to these bioactive compounds, cloves are being used in traditional medicine for treating digestive issues, dental pain, respiratory problems, and as a natural antimicrobial agent. Clove health benefits. 1. Antioxidant properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants like eugenol, gallic acid, and flavonoids, quercetin, camphorol, which help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Compounds such as eugenol and caryophyllene in cloves have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing inflammation and associated symptoms. 3. Dental health. Eugenol is widely used in dentistry for its analgesic and antiseptic properties. Clove oil or eugenol is used for toothache relief, gum health, and as an antibacterial agent against oral pathogens. 4. Digestive aid. Cloves have been traditionally used to aid digestion. Cloves can help reduce gas, bloating, and indigestion, possibly due to their carminative properties. 5. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Eugenol and other compounds in cloves have potent antimicrobial properties, making cloves useful in combating bacterial and fungal infections. 6. Pain relief. Cloves have analgesic properties, particularly useful for dental pain, headaches, and muscle soreness. 7. Improvement in respiratory conditions. Cloves have been used to relieve respiratory conditions such as cough and asthma due to their expectorant properties. 8. Potential blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for managing diabetes. Clove side effects. 1. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to cloves, particularly when consumed in large quantities or applied topically as clove oil. 2. Skin irritation. Topical application of clove oil can cause skin irritation or dermatitis in sensitive individuals. 3. Gastrointestinal issues. Consuming large amounts of cloves or clove oil may lead to gastrointestinal upset, including nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. 4. Drug interactions. Clove oil and clove supplements may interact with certain medications, such as anticoagulants, blood thinners, and medications for diabetes or liver disease. It's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before using cloves if you are on medication. 5. Liver toxicity. High doses of eugenol, if consumed chronically or in large amounts, may potentially cause liver toxicity. 6. Potential for blood thinning. Eugenol has mild blood thinning properties, which could be problematic for individuals on anticoagulant medications. 7. Oral and throat irritation. Clove oil or excessive consumption of cloves can cause irritation in the mouth, throat, or gastrointestinal tract. While cloves offer several health benefits, particularly due to their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, they should be used in moderation. Individuals with allergies, sensitivities, or specific health conditions should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating cloves into their diet or using clove-based products. Thank you for watching this video.